Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn long division together, step by step. Long division asks how many go into each equal group. For 84 divided by 4, we are sharing 84 into 4 equal groups. We work through it one place value at a time, starting with the tens. First, we share the 8 tens. 8 tens divided by 4 is 2 tens, so we write a 2 above the tens place. Each group gets 2 tens, which is 20. Now we share the 4 ones. 4 ones divided by 4 is 1, so we write a 1 in the ones place. Putting it together, 84 divided by 4 equals 21. Let's try 96 divided by 3. 9 tens divided by 3 is 3 tens. 6 ones divided by 3 is 2 ones. So 96 divided by 3 equals 32. The steps are divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Move from the biggest place value to the smallest, one digit at a time. Take it slow, and each group comes out equal. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.